Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. How are you all? Grade 7th, 8th and 9th. I hope you will have done your previous homework. Today's topic is present perfect tense. Now, what is present perfect tense and recognition of present perfect tense? A present perfect tense is a point of time where an action is completed. Present perfect shows the point of action where the task or work is completed. इसकी recognition क्या है? चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं, चुका, चुकी हूँ, या लिया है, किया है, देखा है, अलिफ के साथ है जब लगता है ये अलिफ के साथ, वो भी प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंसीडर होता है। एक काम जो मुकम्मल हो चुका है, हाल में, प्रेजेंट में मुकम्मल हो चुका है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस। Now how we translate present perfect tense from Urdu into English, affirmative or simple sentences? The rules are subject plus has, have. Now has will be used with he, she, it or singulars. Have will be used with I, we, they, you and plurals. And here we use third form of verb plus object. In perfect tense we use third form of verb has and have. Has will be used with he, she, it and singulars. Have will be used with I, we, they, you and plurals. Now look at the examples. इस लड़के ने सबक याद कर लिया है. Now the subject is boy. इस लड़के ने, that boy. The boy is singular, so we will use has as helping verb. Has. याद करना is learn, so third form of learn is learned the lesson. The boy has learned the lesson. वो नज़म पढ़ा चुके हैं. Now वो is a plural, so we'll use have with the plurals. They have, teach, taught, taught. The third form of teach is taught. They have taught the lesson. दो poem. वो नज़म पढ़ा चुके हैं. मैं नाश्ता कर चुका हूँ. I will use have with I. I have taken my breakfast. Take, took, taken. Third form of take is taken. I have taken my breakfast. कुत्ते ने खरगोश को पकड़ लिया है. The dog is third person, so we'll use has with dog and it's singular. The dog has caught the rabbit. Catch, caught, caught. The third form of catch is caught. मौसम सरमा ख़त्म हो चुका है. The winter has come to an end. Okay, understand? I hope you have understood. What you have to remember is that third form of verb will be used. Has and have will be used as auxiliary or helping verb. Has will be used with he, she and it or singulars, and have will be used with I, we, they, you and plurals. Now negative sentences. Now how we will translate negative sentences of present perfect tense? Subject plus has not, have not, third form of verb plus object. As I told you, has will be used with he, she, it and singulars. Have will be used with plurals and I, we, they, you. Now उन्होंने हमारा इंतज़ार नहीं किया है. They have not waited. They have not waited for us. Third form of wait is waited. सूरज नहीं डूब चुका है. The sun has not set. The third form of set is the second and third form is set, set and set. The sun has not set. हम चाय पी नहीं चुके हैं. We have not taken tea. आपने मेरी दरख्वास्त मंजूर नहीं की. You have not accepted my application. तमाम मेहमान नहीं आ चुके हैं. All the guests have not arrived. So see, you have to keep in mind the use of has and have and third form of verb. Now comes interrogative sentences. Now how we will translate interrogative sentences? The rules are has, have plus subject plus third form of verb plus object. Now has and have, we use has and have in the beginning of the sentence, then subject, then third form as usual and then object. क्या शिकारी परिंदे पकड़ चुका है? Now the shikari is subject, it's singular, so we'll use has in the beginning of the sentence to make it interrogative or question sentence. Has a hunter caught the birds? Question mark shows that it is question, the question interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is shown by the question mark. क्या तुम काम ख़त्म कर चुके हो? Have you finished your work? क्या वो इम्तहान पास कर चुकी है? Has she passed the exams? क्या आपके दोस्त ने कब शादी की है? Now see here, we will make question by using when at first and then has, because सवाल के अंदर फिर सवाल है, कब शादी की है. ये इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस है, लेकिन इसमें जो है वो क्वेश्चन किस चीज़ से किया गया है? कब, व्हेन. सो जो टैग क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, टैग क्वेश्चंस आर WH क्वेश्चंस, व्हेन, व्हाट, व्हेन, वेयर, व्हेन. इन क्वेश्चंस को जो इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस होते हैं हमेशा उनके स्टार्ट में पहले इस्तेमाल करते हैं, देन हेल्पिंग वर्ब विल बी यूज्ड. व्हेन हैज़ योर फ्रेंड मैरिड? क्या उसके बेटे ने आदमी को मार डाला है? हैज़ हिज सन किल्ड द मैन? I have forgotten to put question mark. Has his son killed the man? क्या उसके बेटे ने आदमी को मार दिया है? This is very easy. You just have to keep in mind the rules of translation. Then you will be able to translate the sentences. Your homework is for today that you have to translate the following sentences. I'll make a single reading for you so that it will be easy for you to understand that the sentences are. क्लॉक 4 बजा चुका है. उम्मीदवार पर्चा हल कर चुके हैं. तमाम परिंदे उड़ चुके हैं. फौज ने किले पर कब्जा कर लिया है. मैं ये तस्वीर बेच चुका हूँ. टीमें मैच खेल चुकी हैं. बशीर वजीफ़ा हासिल कर चुका है. चौकीदार अपना फ़र्ज़ नहीं अदा कर चुका है. बादशाह ने ताज नहीं उतारा है. मरीज़ ने दवाई नहीं पी है. मज़दूरों ने हड़ताल नहीं की है. छत नहीं गिरी है. उन्होंने गुमशुदा बच्चे की तलाश नहीं की है. तुमने इस आदमी को कहाँ देखा है? क्या तुम बाजी जीत चुके हो? क्या झील में पानी जम चुका है? I have forgotten to write number 17, so I wrote it here. तुमने इस्तीफ़ा क्यों दिया है? पुलिस मकान में क्यों दाखिल हुई है? आपने मेरे लिए टिकट क्यों खरीदा है? क्या हम रोज़ा अफ्तार कर चुके हैं? This is simple present perfect tense. I hope you will understand it. I will send you forms of verbs, pages on which form of verbs are written. This is for grade 7. This would be for grade 7 and 8. And grade 9th, you have already your grammar book. There is form of verbs are written there. We'll done present perfect continuous by tomorrow, and then we'll change the topic and do something else for the change. Okay? You must have to practice this at home. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.